Hello there. Welcome to uDemand. Let's talk about uDemand before we get started with the video. uDemand is a real-time, integrated software training platform that helps users acquire marketable skills in order to succeed in today's global economy. In this video, we talk about compensation overview. As the pay administrator, it is your job to design and manage the company's compensation plan in Workday. To facilitate the automated assignment of benefits packages, grades, and plans to employees during staffing events, a standardized framework is designed along with corresponding eligibility requirements. Let us look in brief about its components. Tiers of pay. Explain salary ranges, please. Patterns of monetary reward. Permit grade levels to be specified in a specific area. Strategies for gaining financial reward. Offer a range of compensation options. Benefits packages. Combining salary brackets and benefit packages. Policy guidelines for receiving payments. In the past, I would always fail to pay variables in pay at hiring events. You look after the tabular form of compensation package, which is explained step by step. Let's move to the further topic: compensation eligibility rules. During the hiring and pay procedures, compensation policies dictate which benefits are available to certain employees. Eligibility can be determined by any combination of employer, job title, geographic area, and/or other class report fields. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel uDemand so that you may be alerted of future videos.